Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you very much. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare yummy, delicious vegetable fried rice. And with me here I have my chopped onions, I have my chopped bell peppers, that is the red, green and yellow, and I also have my chopped carrots, and with me there I have a frozen green peas and my soy sauce. So let's stay tuned. So at this point I'll go in and add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I will go in with my chopped onions. I'll give it a stir. Then I will go ahead and add my bell peppers and let it cook for 2 minutes. The combination of colors looks so great on my cooking pot. Look at that, guys. So I'll go in and add my carrots and give it a quick stir. Then I'll also go in with my green peas.
The best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her. And you'll be.
To give it a tangy taste, I will go in and add my mixed spices. Just a tablespoon is enough.
And she doesn't want
and stir it up, then I will add a pinch of salt.
But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
Besides it, I have my rice. It's ready cooked, and so I'll just cook it bit by bit and add it to my vegetables.
The commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises.
Now you can go ahead and start mixing your rice together. Just ensure that it is well mixed up with the vegetables.
So don't put the weight of your world on a woman.
So I'll go in and add my soy sauce. Then I'll give it a quick mix. So just ensure that you mix it together so that it's well incorporated.
Her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who.
So that's it, guys. I'd like you to give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.